Welcome back to my channel, guys. So guys, again, this one I have not been doing this for quite a while, but I guess this is it. Today we are going to what? Take a shower, or take, if you have a bathtub, if you take a bath, or whatever type of system, how you clean yourself. It's very important, guys. All right. So I think this is a habit that we have to try to practice every day, guys, because it's very important. Cleanliness is what they say, it cleans your, I don't want to say that kasi I'm not perfect naman, guys. Nobody's perfect, guys, but we try to practice that because it cleanses everything, the body, the mind, and the soul. Alright, so today, guys, I'm going to take a shower. I already have done my oral stuff, my teeth and everything, so just moving on to the next part of it. So I hope, guys, I'll be able to pull this off with this type of, I have my gimbal here. Okay, so guys, I'm going to take a shower, right? So cleaning yourself, it's a habit. It may take just 5 minutes or 3 minutes, even if it's quick. You just the habit of that, just wanting to be, just not being afraid, or trying to later I'll do it until it's already late at night. You are just going to clean yourself. Depending if you are, your schedule is, your morning is in the afternoon or in the evening, or maybe you're too tired. It really depends until if you're sick or not feeling well. But just the habit of cleaning. Alright, so again, so let's do this, guys. This one, guys. So I'm in my costume. But this channel is about that. So always practicing cleaning, right? I am going to just soap myself later, but somehow, of course, I'm wearing my clothes, guys. So later na I'll soap myself, So, but really, I have my own soap for the face, right? So for example, I have everything, and then I have my shampoo. Okay, guys, you see me, I am really stingy, so I have learned to just adjust the shampoo. This is my son's shampoo, and I'm just using his shampoo for now. I'm a very adaptable. I just use it even if it's for not for women. I don't know if that's, I'm pretty sure it's not good. But guys, what to do? That's my life. I just for just a little habit of the habit of just saving, isn't it? Because life is so expensive now, guys. So you massage your scalp if you have the time, right? I have here my old my shampoo there that's about to, like that, and then my son came, isn't it? He's from the States, and then so we can see that's simple as that. So I don't buy anymore. If you like that, okay? So at first, it's very, guys, it's cold. And if you're, here's that. If you are the, fail system, which I did already, please watch out this video for that one. I'm trying to search it, guys. I'm gonna look at it in my vlogs. Getting ready in the morning, like that. Alright, so again, you can always, your conditioner, do you soak your hair in conditioner and water? When I was younger, I have more time, guys. But now, today I'm coding, so kind of getting ready early. And do you do concerts in the shower? I did. So please watch this out. I'm going to also, we're going to have that also like vocals exercise. Just kidding guys, but really, trying to do some extracurricular activity, even so you're kind of busy-busyhan like that, or single, or we're going to sing sometimes, exercising the vocals. So sometimes guys, I have because the water is getting to the phone guys. Sometimes I have time to dry my hair, sometimes I don't. Okay. And guys, this one, don't forget to usually we go to the foot spa to have our feet scrub. But you can always, really scrub it here. If you have like a sponge, just always scrub like this one, like that, okay. And everything else, right? And your ears, very important guys. So just some demo. Alright, so this is for aesthetics. I'm going to finish off. And then, talaga ba? Will I soap myself later? No, I will soap later. But guys, so really, I just, somehow they say, I don't before, okay? So, but you just dab. Alright, and then this one, if you like the tip, just this one. So, I have my hair down like that. So I let it drip like that, the water. And while I'm wiping dry my body down, I already do the shaving of the legs, the shaving of the or sometimes isn't it like accidentally we shave, you just wet the shaver and also wet your skin before, so it doesn't like, yes, I do shave. I did use like, how do you call this, the cream hair remover. Kaya guys, ever since I was young, a teenager guys, I really saw it already. This is going to be an expense for me. Because a bottle would cost, before a bottle would cost maybe 200 to 300 to 400 plus per bottle. That's small guys. I was using Nair. And it was so expensive for me. I knew that already, but somehow I'm not really that stingy during those days. Of course, I even shared that in my blog that as you mature, you learn how to spend your money. But I already saw it. So ever since, guys, I really just shaved and put some lotion. And for as long as there's a shaver, the feminine shaver, and then sometimes I use male shaver if I have with my sons. And just use with water. I just wanted to have basic because anyhow I'm not really a guru for doing some I'm not I don't have the right to flaunt my but you see you get me guys. So yeah, so that's just and then after, so I have dripped my hair down, and then I have learned, well, before, isn't it like the thing that we do, like we scrub our hair like that. But for now, we just be careful. Even so, I don't have not much of a beautiful hair, but just being careful, right? And then, of course, I wrap around this one, wrap it around, and like that. I just have my hand, and like that. And then you walk like that, and then you start your day. Alright, but before that, prior to that, I already have done my, of course, cleaning my teeth and my face. Alright, so guys, I hope that helped. I'm going to still continue this one, guys. And let's just make this a habit. Try it. I know there are reasons why you don't want to, take a bath, take a shower, right, as you wake up. But really, this is one way to also, like, maybe gearing up for a better day. I'm going to accomplish things today. Not a lot, but I'm trying to, that attitude of having to try to accomplish at least one thing a day. And then you start with 2 things a day. Accomplish, do something worthwhile, 3 tries, 4 times a day. And as you go along, you will see you're able to stretch your capacity to, maybe I want to accomplish more. So I'll get ready in the morning and take a shower. We start with ourselves, right? So we don't tell anybody to clean unless you really right? So, isn't it? That's what we learn from day to day. So this channel is not about, preaching or something, but really practicing, holding on to that, those habits, little habits that may bring us to our, that pot of gold or pot of gold. Bigla guys, that heading towards positivity and inspiration in life, getting to where you want to be somehow. Taking a bath, cleaning yourself is part of it. Right? It's a big part of it, aside from exercising. So guys, please take care of your health, let's try to take care of our body, mind, and soul. This channel is all about that. That's what I like to do talaga, guys, eh. If I have a wellness place. Ay, chalo. Alright guys, thank you so much for your support, guys. Take care, bye po.